Hi friends, Sunil here. Welcome back to this channel. In this video we are going to learn about access modifiers. Access modifiers defines how the members of a class can be accessed. There are three types of access modifiers for a class in Python. They are public, protected and private. Here I have defined a class person. Then I have defined this constructor with parameters name, age and salary. Here the name is a public data member, age is protected member and salary is private member. The members declared as public are accessible from outside the class through an object of the class. That means this public member name you can access from outside the class through an object of this class person, and they are accessible from any part of the program. The default behavior of any data member is public. That means unless you specify it as protected or private, the default is public. Then here this age is a protected data member. Protected data members are prefixed with an underscore and they are accessible from outside the class, but only in a class derived from it. That means you can access this protected data member age from outside this class person, but only in a class derived from this class person. That is, you can access it from within the child class or the subclass of this class person. Although these protected members they behave like public members, it is not for the users to use. It is something for the programmers and not for public use. And this salary is a private member. So private members are always prefixed with two underscores and they are only accessible from within the class. Outside access is not allowed. Here I am defining a class employee which is subclass of this parent class person. It is inherited from this parent class person. Then I have this pass statement here. Then here we are creating an object EMP of class employee. These are the arguments name, age and salary which we are passing to the constructor. Then I am trying to access the public member name and the protected member age from outside this class, outside the class person. From outside the class person I am accessing this variables name and age. I am printing it. We will run this. So it has printed the name and age. Now we will try to access the private member salary from outside the class. We will run this. So it has thrown an error, attribute error. Object has no attribute salary. This private member variable is invisible to the object. So you cannot access private variable outside the class. So we will try to access that from within the class now. We will try to access that from within the class person. So here I have defined a method print salary. So I am printing the salary here. I am accessing the private variable from within the class here, and then I am displaying this message public. So we'll run this. So now we were able to access the salary. It has printed salary of the employee and it has displayed this message, printed this message public. So now we will try to access the methods, protected methods and private methods from outside the class. So here I defined a method, protected method. Here also, just like protected data member, we have to prefix with a underscore. And I am displaying this message protected. So we'll run this. So we were able to access the protected method from outside the class. Now we will try to access private method from outside the class. So we'll run this now. So it has thrown attribute error. So we are not able to access the private method from outside the class. So we'll now try to access this private method from inside the class. So I am calling this private method from inside the class here. We will run this. So now it has displayed private. So private members, data members and methods cannot be accessed from within the from outside the class. It can be only accessed from within the class. Hope you have understood how the members of a class can be accessed. Just a small recap. Public members are accessible outside the class from any part of the program. Then while declaring protected members, you have to put a underscore in front of it. These protected members behave like public members, but it is advisable not to use them publicly. Then while declaring the private method, you have to put two underscores in front of it. Private data members and methods are accessible only from within the class. Outside access is not allowed. That's it for this video now. If you like this video, share it with your friends. If you are having any doubts, put in the comment box. And subscribe this channel for future videos like this. Thanks very much.